Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. We just finished the holiday season, so let's get back into it. I'm just going to show you how I wash my bike. I rinse it, how I shampoo it, what I do with my white walls. Try to keep them as clean as possible, how I keep them clean. Going to go over some products that I use. And yeah, just going to give you an overview on how I wash my bike. Also, right before I wash my bike, I'm gonna take off my seat just because the cushion ends up absorbing a lot of water. So, and not only that, but I don't want to ruin the leather just because it was expensive. Cool. All right, here we go. Let's get started. We'll move some things around and then go from there. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so now it's time to do the wheels. What I use is a Black Magic for white wall tires. You see it right here on the far right. White wall tires is what I use. I'm not sponsored or anything like that from them, but that's what helps me keep these white walls nice and white. I haven't used it yet, so this is dirty. Quotation marks. This is dirty, so I haven't used it yet. The reason why I do it in between the wash, I've already added soap and kind of rinsed it down a little bit, but because when I use that product, it's pretty strong and it actually starts bleeding some of the white off, that it starts running onto the rim or to the tire. So I do it in between wash. So as soon as I'm done brushing the tires, then I'll rinse it off so that way I don't have any white smudges on the rim or on the tire. Cool. All right, so let's continue. You see on this one, you see like those little black smudges. Those will come off. Same thing on this side. It's not so bad. I try to keep my bike as clean as possible, but I always try to make sure it's extra clean. I have a ride coming up tomorrow, so I want to make sure it looks nice as possible. I do put it on the jack, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack the bike up, just get the wheels off so I can rotate it by hand, and then use a brush to brush it off. So wheels are done. Much cleaner. You can already see that. Look at that. Just a little one right there, but no big deal. Way cleaner. The front, nice and white. Same thing. Like I said, it wasn't that bad when I first started washing the bike, but I like to always try to keep them white because once they start to get yellow, then they get pretty ugly. So cool. Go ahead and I have the luxury to air dry it a little bit. For those that don't have a portable dryer or anything like that, you can use a leaf blower, or if not, just a microfiber rag. Try to dry everything off as much as possible, as quickly as possible, so you don't get any water spots. Cool. All right, let's go. put the seat back on. So what I'm gonna do is with the damped rag, I'm just gonna wipe it down, and then I'm gonna add a leather conditioner just to try to keep it nice and smooth. Don't want it to crack, because with time and then with the baking of the sun, it will definitely crack. So just a quick wipe down, and then a leather conditioner coming right up. All right, go ahead and put my leather conditioner. Spread it out a little bit, right? And then go ahead and massage that baby in there. You can kind of see the difference of what it makes. Look at that, see? Nice and clean. Any leather conditioner works, honestly. And just like that, it looks way cleaner, brand new. For those that are asking, do not put Armor All on your tires. You will regret it later. Cool. And there it is. So you wash your bike. Yeah, you can wash the whole bike. You don't need to wipe down. You can rinse the whole bike. The bike is made to be ridden in rain or anything like that, any kind of conditions. There it is, guys. That's how you wash your bike in less than maybe about an hour and 20. Cool. Thank you guys for watching.